hard for the tournament, and to reach the finals of the tournament is a really big achievement for us. We fell short by in one step, but then yes, I mean reaching to the finals, I think it's a very big achievement for women's cricket, and from here on women's cricket will bloom. I mean will get better in India. Things are getting better. Initially it was not this great. After we got into BCCI, the merger with BCCI happened in 2006. After that we have come a long way now and things are getting better. So yes, the support from BCCI and the state associations, like for me GCI has been very supportive. I'd like to say that I also had a dream of playing for India. It's just that you need to dream higher. And I'm sure, by the way, the kind of win we have had during this tournament, a lot of young girls will come up and they'll try thinking about taking cricket as a profession.
Women's organization, not because that India has reached the World Cup. If you look at the GCA, apart from what is going on, that's a different part. The cricket has never suffered in GCA. And we आता women's आता next month आमचं त्यांचं residential camp चालू जातलो. So the cricket will go on. Look at the women's cricket earlier. If you ask me, there were hardly any people following women's cricket. But this World Cup has changed the entire thing. Now even a housewife, like, she knows the names of the Indian players. So, and it has totally changed now. And in years to come, you will see like there will be IPL for women's cricket also.